going on, guys? Back with another video. And today, guys, we're here at Walmart and we are gonna get some food and snacks. Hey guys, this is the Spark Create Imagine plush animal toy. You can get it here at Walmart or your local store. Thank you guys for watching, and please remember, get yourself a dinosaur and watch Jurassic Park. Hey guys, this is the I Am Kobe like shot. Paper ball into the cup. First try.
Doing the second. Dude, it's for your YouTube video. It's the vlog.
Oh yeah, vlog this. Yeah. Hey guys, we're in IHOP. We're considering doing an arcade, going to the arcade next. This is just gonna be like what we're doing over the weekend video. We're gonna go to the arcade. We'll tune you in more, honestly, but just stay tuned on this journey, and thank you guys so much for the support.
It's been real.
What's going on, guys? We're here at the arcade.
Yeah.
Round one, boys. We got our cars and we're gonna play some games. It's gonna be sick. Let's go. Check this out, guys. They have all these machines. Maybe at the end we'll maybe try to get one of these. Who knows? Let's get started.
Yeah.
All right, guys. Riley, what are you doing?
Ticket grabber.
Ticket grabber.
See what I can get. Little joystick.
Okay, make sure it's over something. What are you going for?
I'm gonna try and go for that big thick one.
That hundo?
Yeah. Ready?
You look pretty lined up.
No way.
You might have got that.
Oh! No fucking way, bro. I got it.
You just got 100 plus a 20.
Yo.
Yeah.
Yes.
You're so good.
Never mind, guys. I actually got the 1,000.
You got 1,020, bro.
1,000.
Not 120. Look at that. Shit's counting up as we speak.
It's gonna go for a while.
Yeah.
Damn, bro. We're gonna what? Sorry.
We're gonna play a different game.
Oh yeah.
Let's roll it.
See what we get.
So this one's a spin or roll, and we see how many tickets we get. I'm really wanting that 1,000 one. We're gonna land right on it. So we'll see what we get on this one. It's looking promising for the 1,000 because I think it's gonna do another loop.
Yeah.
Actually, it's gonna do another one and then land on that 1,000. 200.
Yeah, you got 200. You got 200. Oh.
Wow.
5. Damn.
All right, guys, we're gonna swipe them all.
You swiping them all.
Okay, let me do one.
Oh shit.
Imagine all jackpots.
Dude, that would be insane. I spun it.
75. 30. 75.
150. Damn. Damn, we didn't go up.
Got 300. What the fuck happened there?
Dude, I don't know. It's still going up, bro.
Did it glitch?
It's supposed to be 150. Yeah, we got 400. What? Damn.
Oh, for all of them combined.
That makes sense. Alright, bro. And just taking his shot at the 1,000 roll. I think that's a good spot. Let's see what happens here. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. He might get it. Oh my god. No fucking way. No way. Oh no.
Why is it doing that?
Damn. Yo, dude, I just scored 2 jackpots. Oh my god.
We can get so much stuff.
Oh, look at this dude.
Monster.
Look. Dude. Oh my god. Look at what you got. Oh my god, my luck is insane.
Bro, let's just keep going. So I heard we're supposed to be going on a long night tomorrow.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
Where are we going? alright?
Yeah. Yo, just I. Clouds here.
Hey guys.
What's going on?
Hey guys, what's going on?
GM Keys.
What's going on, guys?
Hey guys, we're gonna go take
We're gonna take Sharon's fat ass to work.
Oh, let's go see what he's doing.
Oh, you're filming up and down, by the way. You're filming up and down.
No, I'm not.
You are. Because that's there.
Hey, fat.
Up and down.
Hey guys, welcome to the video. Jamar's Keys.
If you guys want a Slim Chickens exclusive, make sure you do comment down below. Look at that description. You can win yourself a free Slim Chicken shirt for free.
Damn.
Here we
get
go.
like a slim or
Sharon. Dude,
Come on,
we already
fat
ate IHOP, bruh.
I know, but I'm hungry again.
Oh, yeah. Woohoo! Tell these people what he's doing. Hey, Drew here. Jamarvin and Drew here. Hello. Tell them what we're doing.
We're gonna be trying to
Oh, yeah. Strido.
Here is two pro quarterbacks.
Yo, that's his room up there.
So we're two pro quarterbacks here at the NFL Combine, and we're practicing a. Damn, what's happening up there? What?
That's his room, bro. That's his room. It looked like somebody was going at it in the living room.
They go, oh. You need a speaker, bro?
I have mine. It's upstairs. I already see it.
Damn. Did you see that?
Bruh.
It's starting to rain. It's starting to rain, guys. I know. Oh my god. Bloody hell.
I know he's good at it.
Yeah.
Hello, my name's Andrew, and I'm gonna do this show. So what I'm trying to do is
Hey,
I'm
bro.
gonna draw.
Part of this clip does not have the flash on, so.
I'm gonna try to.
Damn, you missed, bro.
Damn, look up.
Oh my god.
What's going on, guys? We're back here, and hey, ooh. You know what I need to get good at? Doing backflips like off of shit.
Yeah, bro.
I ain't doing that now, though.
Hey, what? Hey, tell him more.
Alright guys, that's gonna cap it off for the video, guys, and as always, please come back in the next video, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Yeah.